Makhadzi need a documentary? Because me personally, I feel like I feel like she need it. Because of if she doesn't have a documentary, look at Shebishit right now as an official documentary that is dropping. You know what I'm saying? But Makhadzi has been long grinding. She really need a documentary just to tell us about her story. Like she has many stories to tell us about Rita D, open mic, now being an independent artist. Like many stories she has to tell us. SARS, all the shit that she's been through. She really needs the documentary. I feel like I don't understand why she's not even doing it or she's not even considering doing it. Because it was not so long ago we will find out that she's having a reality show, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like a documentary, that's what she needs. Like literally, documentary is what Makhadzi needs for many reasons. Even just to give someone who is being inspired by Makhadzi, just to, you know what I mean, like to be to to know the first step that she did take while she was still grinding, while she was still performing for a few bucks, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like she really need it. It's just that we can all say what she need or what she doesn't need. If she feel like it's not necessary, she won't do it.